Hey, this is JC. Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban lifestyle and jungle survival. Today we're going to have a look at this pouch from Tactical Geek. This is the Block E4.0 EDC compact waist pouch. First, if you watch this channel regularly but have not subscribed, please do so to help the channel out. And if you'd like to support the channel even more, do check out my shop links in the pinned comment or description below. You can even join as a channel member. Thanks a lot. First up, thanks to Tactical Geek for sending me this pouch. I have reviewed some of the other products, such as this one over here. This is the E6.0 EDC Organiser pouch. It's part of a larger system which consists of a sling bag and a triangular pouch. Really great product. Do check out my video for that in the link in the card above or description below, and do check out the Kickstarter program for that as well. It's an awesome product. So this is just one component of that 3-set system, and this is an EDC pouch. They are basically the same size, slightly different design on the exterior and the materials. This is X-Pac material, so it's black as well. The backs are the same in terms of the MOLLE attachment, but the front you can see the design is a bit different in how the zips are configured and just what you have. But this is pretty good, and I actually shared how I loaded this out for an emergency vehicle kit. Do check out that separate video as well. The configuration for this pouch and this pouch are the same in terms of the internals, pockets, and the elastic, and more of that in just a bit. Alright, I also have some great news for you guys. Tactical Geek is being really good to my community, and I actually have a giveaway in conjunction with this. Well, it's kind of a giveaway. It's not actually a physical product, but they're allowing me to choose 2 lucky winners to get a 50% coupon on all products from their website, excluding accessories. But if you need any of these pouches or their bigger items, 50% off, but only available for 2 people. So if you want to learn how you can win this 50% coupon, do stay to the end of the video. Alright, let's talk about this pouch first. So it is an EDC pouch available in this green or a black. You can use it for urban or outdoor EDC. I showed how I did it for the vehicle EDC, so you can check that out. But now I'm going to do an outdoor load. So kind of a jungle EDC pouch. First, I'll compare it to 2 very common pouches or well-known pouches. These are the Maxpedition Micro and Mini pouches. You can see this is actually larger. And this is closer to the fatty EDC pouch from Maxpedition. So that's just to give you a size difference. It is pretty substantial. The dimensions, when it's empty, it's 4.5 inches by 7 inches and about 1.5 inches thick, and can expand to, say, almost 3 inches thick. So this is not stuffed full. It is full but not stuffed full, but just to give you an idea of what you can load out inside. All right, let's get started. So what I like about this pouch is this additional shock cord or elastic cord on the outside over here. You can adjust it to put different things. I've put paracord because if it rains, gets wet, it's perfectly fine. But more importantly, it frees up valuable space on the inside. So I really appreciate that. So small point, but a great design feature. There's a Velcro surface over here, soft side, that's for you to put morale patches, and I have mine over here just to remind me to always take that chocolate, no sugar, soft serve ice cream every day for my dessert. So that's there. There's a nice zipper pouch over here. This isn't really large, but you can put small things. I've put zip ties. I've also put very loose items like these paper clips and safety pins. So anything that is small but you want easy access, and you may need just a small pouch to maybe hold them around, maybe coins, for example. That's where you would put those items. So overall, the construction of this pouch is very good. So materials are great. The nylon straps for the mollies are great. The overall material, 500D nylon fabric, fit and finish is all good. Even better than the Maxpedition, in my opinion, in terms of the thickness and what I perceive as the durability as well. Now, I should mention there are no tack ties that come with this, just the MOLLE like that. So if you want to attach this to a belt or your pack, you will need tack ties or some kind of nylon straps to strap it together. Alright, so the zips, YKK zips, great quality as well. Zips all around, and here you have my pouch. So this is my loadout for my jungle outdoor adventures. What I do like about the design is this netted pocket here. It allows you to keep loose items, things that don't fit into these elastic bands. Such as this over here, we have just a length of stainless steel cable or wire. We've got a Sharpie, some Kevlar thread for cordage. We've got a sail needle, so basically a thick needle with thread pre-threaded, and it goes inside the straw, which is sealed up at the end, and that's really just to protect the sharp point and keep it together so that it doesn't just puncture the bag. All right, stuff that in just like that. A flashlight, this is the Olight i5R, and it's got this double clip here, so you can actually put it on a cap as well, so it can be a headlamp. My Swiss Army knife, I've shown this many times before. You can check out the video on this. This is the Victorinox Camper, but it's got some modifications, including these custom green micarta scales. Now I talked about this netted compartment, so I've got some loose items over here, so that fits in very nicely. I've got some gaffer's tape. I've got a repair hook. This is a curve hook for bags and corners and things like that, pre-threaded. And I've got a kind of a signal mirror, but this is really just a piece of highly reflective plastic material. Now there's a protective covering on it. I will take that off if I really need to use it, but it's really reflective and thin, flexible, will not break. I recommend this over just a standard mirror. On this side, you notice that the bands are different in terms of the thickness, and I have my Nightcore power bank over here, as well as with a Type-C cable. The survival lighter has lots of goodies inside, and I've taught how to make this before in a previous video. Do check that out as well. Or sealed up, waterproof. Some flagging tape. This is to be used in conjunction with the Sharpie. If you ever get lost or think you're going to get lost and you want to mark your trail in the jungle or forest, you can take this flagging tape, wrap it around a tree, tie it off, and then you write down specific things on the tape, whether it's a timing, whether it's a bearing, or a message to rescuers. So really handy for an emergency pouch. Now this particular pouch only has one of these back compartments. They have Velcro over here. I personally would prefer if they have two compartments. It just gives it a bit more flexibility, but maybe just because of the size, they didn't want to overstuff it, so I can understand that as well. In this compartment, I've got two packets. I have this Tinder packet with cotton infused with petroleum jelly, a wax jute and dry jute. Jungle is very, very damp many times, so it's good to have this as redundancy. In this packet over here, I've got a freezer bag, and inside I've got water purification tablets. I've got Right in the Rain sheets of notepad, and I have a signal blanket or emergency blanket. Signal because one side is orange, the other side is Myla. So that's all in this pouch. Just one added loop over here. If you like, can add in a survival whistle or a smaller flashlight if you like to that. And that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed this pouch. If you do own this or something similar from Tactical Geek, do let me know your thoughts and if you like it and how you use it in the comments below. Right now, I'm going to tell you how you can win a 50% voucher off Tactical Geek products. Very simple, just like all my giveaways, all you need to do is to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment, a legitimate comment. I will pick 2 lucky winners or commenters who are subscribers from all the comments, and those 2 people are going to win a 50% discount voucher from Tactical Geek, and that's major savings. So if you enjoy their products and you've got your eye on the products, but you really want to take advantage of a 50% discount, do join in the giveaway. I'm going to let the giveaway run for 5 days, and then I'm going to pick a winner. So good luck all of you. Subscribe, like, and leave a comment to enter. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.